Jesus, I command you to grow all the way out. I command alignment all the way out. Grow. Grow. In the name of Jesus right now. We release your glory. Grow. Grow. All the way out. Grow. All the way out. I command you to grow now. Right leg. I command you to come all the way out. More. Grow more. 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 Grow. Grow. In the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus, I command this leg to grow all the way out. All the way out. It's coming out. All the way out. More. More. Grow more. 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 I command you to grow out in the name of Jesus. You will grow all the way out. All the way out. More. I command you more. 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 There it is. You see that? Who did that? Jesus. Jesus did it. Yeah. Did you feel it? Where'd you feel it at? Yeah. So only God can make a leg grow, right? So that means he's what? Real. Jesus is real. Isn't that awesome?